Hey guys, little update on the Craftsman vise. What I have here is 2 replacement jaws, about as good as I can get them, you know, for a $20 vise. And I fabricated these out of a spare sheet of 3/8 steel plate. So I had this intact jaw for a template, and I more or less traced the pattern for this onto the plate, used the cutoff wheel and cut out each rectangle, and clamped individually one at a time the new piece in its raw form to the template, and used the grinding wheel, ground it down. Then I switched over to the sanding flapper disc and got it a little smoother, I should say. Then when that was done, I clamped both of the pieces together for reference and individually ground each side with them clamped together. So they're more or less identical. So now I have to mark and drill the holes. And first I'm going to look through my hardware and figure out which kind of bolts I'm going to use, and also check the threads on the actual vise to make sure that the bolts are appropriate. And I will countersink the holes into the new jaws so that the bolts are flush or a little recessed. And I'll walk you over to the actual vise. It's had several coats of primer and red enamel paint, and it looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do right now is check the threads on the bolt holes and identify and pick some hardware. That's it. I will of course post a video of the finished vise, but for now, that's the progress. Thanks guys, take care.